Jorge.
And this is my mom.
Hi, guys.
And that's Amy. That you just watched. And George is a guest. And yeah. And we're gonna make
French toast.
a recipe for French toast. So
And we
Yeah,
are
yeah.
not an expert, okay?
and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 eggs.
They're organic.
And we have vanilla extract, sugar,
And bread.
and bread.
Remember, kids, that we may be using a stove, so you maybe need adult supervision.
Yeah. If you don't have a dough, that means that your hand can
You can burn
You
yourself.
shouldn't be
You can
using the
burn.
stove.
You can
You
burn yourself.
shouldn't be using the stove because
You can kind of burn yourself.
and first it's time to put the egg.
So now let's
Be careful.
always have an adult supervision. Break the egg.
Guys, I think we can still kind of good at this egg. Oh my
And remember,
My turn.
Got the egg in there.
Okay.
and remember to not get no shell in the egg.
Yes, because you can choke on the shell.
Guys, I'm gonna have to go somewhere. I'm gonna have to go.
Wash.
What's on the touch it? Here. Okay, so you can. Okay.
Go. Yolk. Get in there. My favorite part. Yolky.
Yoki.
And
we go put the other one.
where is yolk? Oh, yolk
Okay,
feels
the
weird.
next step will be putting some vanilla.
Yes. And so we're gonna put some vanilla extract and spoon.
Careful.
Is that enough?
Yes.
Put it in.
Sorry guys, I was in the bathroom washing my hands because there's oil on my hand. You can cover.
Yolk on your hand.
And now can I And then we're gonna put a spoon of sugar.
Yeah, a spoon of sugar. Oops.
It's okay guys. Guys, I need to
This might be messy with the sugar part. Is this enough?
Yes.
It is.
Now it's time for me to mix it.
Let's all mix it. Yolk. This is some yolky business. Oh, and hold that.
Forgot to close it.
Close that.
I think it's enough.
No. Is that how it's supposed to look like, Mom?
No.
It's supposed to look I know how to do it. I know. And
Do you want to reverse?
this is mine. Oh, mine tastes good.
And this is the only reason that you need an adult
Mm-hmm.
whenever you are around the stove.
Because you can burn yourself, or you can burn the house down. And so now we finished. Ellie's gonna eat waffles because she says that eggs make her throat itch in her tongue. So we're just gonna let her eat waffles because she really loves them. And the last step is to put syrup, but not too much because you can get sick if you put too much. now we put syrup, and now we're gonna test how it tastes.
Yeah, we know.
So I'm gonna take a test.
What's the experiment made? Hey guys, what's the experiment
It
made?
tastes really good.
It does. Yeah.
Show the little member of the family.
Hi guys, get close to me. What's the experiment made?
Because we found this movie, we watched the trailer, and the end of it said mistakes were made. Because there's this kid that made
Bye,
mistakes.
guys.
And I'm bye guys, and
Thank you for watching.
thank you for watching, and
Hit the
subscribe, hit the
notification button.
and so you can
Hit
get
the like.
notified every video we make.
And hit the like button.
The